what we do here is go back.
What's going on, guys? My name is Essence and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're back. We do fun things here, and today it's a wash day. Okay guys, so I am coming out of a protective style, a crochet style. I have a video on that on my channel. Go ahead and check it out if you'd like. But nonetheless, my hair's been in this crochet style for way too long now. Like, I gotta get this out. So my hair is extremely tangled, very dry, needs water, needs moisture. I miss my hair and I want it back. So yeah, I just want to take you guys through what a realistic wash day looks like when your hair starts off in a state like this. What I'm going to be doing right now, especially when my hair is tangled and dry and all of that kind of stuff, I start off with my favorite product for pre-pooing, which is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. It's a pre-poo by African Pride. That's all you need to know. What I'm going to do is go ahead and section my hair. I'm going to pre-poo and detangle it, so that way when I actually get into the shower, it's going to be easy, breezy, beautiful cover girl, and not some circus act. Always do everything in sections. If you have a lot of hair, if you have thick hair, if you have coarse hair, if you have tangled hair, if you have hair on your head, just trust me, do everything in section. It's gonna save you headache and time. So I'm gonna go ahead, use my Easy Detangler brush and my pre-poo as well as a spray bottle, and go ahead and do this thing. If my face looks really weird and swollen, I am getting over a sinus infection. Comment down below if you've ever had a sinus infection and let me know how you were able to get over it and navigate it. Follow me on Instagram because that is where I was talking about my sinus infection and people were giving me tips and stuff like that, but man, it was not fun. I'm gonna go ahead and do this pre-poo thing and then I'm gonna go wash my hair. Okay guys, so I am officially done detangling all my hair, and I can't express to you how easy, simple, and fast that was. Seriously, pairing this pre-poo with the Easy Detangler brush, it's golden. So guys, let's go wash my hair. Today I'm going to be using LUS Love Your Curls. I really love this shampoo, guys, and the best thing that I love about it is the dispenser. Super smart, super innovative, and to be honest, when it comes to shampoos, I don't really fuss too much. I just use whatever, but I really do like this stuff because it softens my hair and it's the good. So anyways, let's go wash my hair. Alright guys, so here I am in the shower. What I do when I first get in is completely saturate my hair. I take a few seconds to a minute to do that. And then here I go with the shampoo. I love the dispenser. I just think it makes so much sense. So by doing one rinse with just water, it allows your hair to like really get that shampoo in there because you're getting that first layer of gunk off your hair by just like rinsing your hair with water. So I do 2 washes with the shampoo, sometimes 3, just depending on how dirty my hair is, but I always saturate my hair with water first and then go in with my shampoo about 2 or 3 times. So here is my scalp massager. I love this thing. You can use it, of course, to stimulate hair growth and massage your scalp, self-care, but you can also use it to shampoo your scalp, guys. If you don't want to use your hands or it's hard to get in there, you can use it for both reasons. So here I go in with my conditioner, a whole bunch of conditioner, of course, curly girls, you already know. I always make sure that I leave a clamp clip in my shower when I'm washing my hair so I can section my hair away and make sure that I'm getting product all over my strands. Of course, focusing on my strands and not my scalp. And I keep this on for about 3 to 5 minutes before I wash it out. Okay guys, so I am all done in the shower and it's been about 20 minutes now. Let's go ahead and take this t-shirt off. The reason I'm coming on here is just because I want to show you how soft my hair is after using that LUS Love Your Curls conditioner. So if you guys could feel my hair right now, it's very soft. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take down one part for you so you can see what my hair is like after I take them out of the twists from the shower. So the reason why I wash them in twists, me personally, because I do have a lot of hair. Sometimes it's a little bit overwhelming when you're in the shower, so I just feel like washing your hair in twists allows you to really get to your scalp and really focus the product on your scalp. And then when you're using your conditioner, you want to focus your conditioner on your actual strands. It's really easy to navigate when you have the twists in. Twists also really lock in the moisture as well, so that's a tip for washing your hair in twists. So I'm gonna go back in with my Easy Detangler brush, and you guys just saw I just took off my towel. There's no product in my hair. And look at that. Right through, right through. Easy peasy. So I'm gonna continue with the rest of my wash day routine. I'm gonna deep condition and all of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna leave links down in the description bar for the scalp massager as well as LUS if you'd like to check out their products. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.